Show me how to do that.
Like this.
Oh, like that! Ja moram sada da najavim jedan gost koji je sjajan i dolazi nam iz Grčke.
I love Serbia, I love Belgrade. It's one of the best cities in the world.
I'm not sure if Greek people love Belgrade more or Serbian people love Greece more. You know, the love is mutual.
Yeah, we are like, I think we are friends. We are like, we have the same...
so many centuries.
Yeah, so many centuries, yeah. So we have the same like mentality
temper
of...
and
yeah.
temper.
And if you want me to speak in Greek, I can speak
yes,
in Greek.
Yes, please,
yeah.
it's so sexy.
Yeah.
Can you show us
yes.
how to properly break a plate without hurting yourself?
To have a stack.
Oh
yes.
my God!
Yes.
You are a master of breaking plates, you know, like a Jedi or a Karate Kid or something like that. Let's talk about where to take him. Yes. To a cave and to keep him there, you know, just for us, and never share him with another. I'm married, but what the I'm not dead if I'm married, you know?
That's true.
But I have to show you how to dance our national dance.
Okay.
Then with your... Now you're officially Serb. Welcome.